10 daily habits to help you manifest your goals. While the law of attraction definitely can work for you, the power and speed at which you attract your goals depend greatly on how you live your daily life. If you want to get the very best results when trying to manifest your goals, doing these 10 things absolutely every day can help. 1. Visualize. Whether you prefer to do so just before going to bed or like to visualize right before getting up in order to set the tone for the day, just make sure you allocate some quiet, focused time to this process every day. Really build up the sights, sounds, smells, and sensations associated with your dream future, and fully immerse yourself in this mental picture. 2. Be grateful. Every day, take a moment to write down 2 to 5 things that inspired gratitude that day. Doing so makes you a more positive person who is more capable of attracting further positive things. Don't forget that little things count for this list, too, such as the kindness of a stranger, or the way the sunrise looked during your commute. 3. Spread positivity. Speaking of the kindness of strangers, make sure you spread those good feelings during the day. Smile at someone you don't know, pay someone a compliment, and think of little ways to improve another person's day. When you do this, you vibrate at a higher, more positive frequency and increase your personal magnetism. 4. Be kind to yourself. As much as I'd encourage you to work hard in the pursuit of your goals, you don't want to burn out. When you're exhausted and feeling depleted, you vibrate at a low frequency that makes it tough to use the law of attraction to its full potential. That's why you should make a habit of being kind to yourself every day, whether you take a bubble bath, spend an hour reading a book, or say no to a commitment that would put too much on your plate. 5. Say affirmations like visualizations. Affirmations help to connect you with a solid sense that your ideal future is possible. Design at least one affirmation that helps to support your goals, e.g., I am on the path to meeting the right partner, or everyone can see that I am dynamic and talented, and say it at the time that makes the most impact. That might be before work, before a date, or as soon as you get up in the morning. 6. Live as if. This law of attraction technique can sound a little odd at first, but those who have used it swear by its power to help with manifestation. The basic idea is that you start behaving like you already have what you want. So, for example, if you're trying to lose weight, you buy plenty of clothes for the figure you're working to develop. Similarly, if you're aiming to build confidence, you start behaving as though you're confident already, adapting your body language, deliberately greeting more people, and so on. Every day, do something that you think of as intimately connected with living your dream. 7. Assess your intention point. While this isn't the right time to get into the specific details of the intention point, my point here is that you should consider the state of the space between your heart and mind. Is this a balanced aspect of you? Is there an internal conflict? If there is, think about what you can do to rebalance yourself. And if you're interested in learning more about how to locate, interpret and adapt your intention point, check out my program, Origins. 8. Read about success. It only takes a few minutes to read a success story every day, whether it's part of a biographical book you own or a news story on the internet. Your positivity will probably be most significantly influenced by success stories that reflect your own goals in love, work or life, but any such story will show you that the limits of possibility are endless. 9. Add to your dream board. If you've been working with the law of attraction for a while now, chances are that you have already started building a dream board, a collection of images connected to what you want to manifest. While perhaps you don't need to add to it every single day, you should be aiming to connect with a new image to add to the board at least several times a week. This process will help you consolidate and expand your vision of the future. 10. Be patient. Finally, although the law of attraction can help you build up an amazing skill set for enhancing your life, it's imperative that you practice patience. Know that you're moving one step closer to your goals every single day, and look for evidence that this is the case.